Some real discoveries sound so unbelievable that most people think they're fake. In 2000, scientists found a lake buried nearly 4 kilometers beneath Antarctica's ice, completely hidden from the world for millions of years. Deep inside a cave in Mexico, explorers discovered giant crystals as large as telephone poles, growing in total darkness underground. In Madagascar, researchers found a species of chameleon so tiny that it can comfortably sit on the tip of a finger. But the craziest discovery of all might be that there are rivers beneath the ocean, with their own shores, currents, and waves flowing across the seafloor, and yes, they're completely real.